and drive the whip, I hit the gas, fuck up the gear. Bro, cold, no, I can't let her get around, she can't get near. Lonzo think I play for the Bulls the way I shoot the clip. Don't care about where they hoe go, no, she gotta get up out of here. Send me a, oh no, I can't.
Alright, so what's good, y'all boys? We're back with a banger, and today I will be reviewing a keyboard and a mouse for my recent video. That was a setup video, transferring my messy setup. And y'all boys, thank you for getting me to 530 subscribers, bro. Y'all know I ain't gonna lie, all the support from the last video, all the comments and everything, I love that. And I just want to thank y'all for messing with my video and just liking the video, you know what I mean? And so I got another video for y'all. We're gonna be doing a reviewing those products from the last video, which is my transforming video, transforming my setup video. And I can't wait to show y'all how they are in action, or not in action, but like I'm gonna just show y'all how they are. So yeah, y'all boys, like and subscribe, post notifications, and let's get straight into the next part. And yeah, peace. All right, so I got the keyboard right here. It's a HyperX Ally Origin 60% keyboard, and it's a petite 60% keyboard, yeah, whatever. And I got the G305 Logitech mouse, and it's light speed wireless gaming mouse, Sorceress Gaming Sans Feel. I don't know what that means, but I know that it's good because I bought it. But yeah, and we're finna unbox this, you know. We got this in the HyperX Alloy 60% keyboard. So let's get straight into it. Let's get it, let's go. All right, let's start the unboxing. All right, so here's the G305 Logitech Lightspeed gaming mouse. Let's start unboxing it. Yeah. All right, now we're doing ASMR. Here we go with the Logitech mouse right here. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Ooh, this thing clean. Side buttons, scroll wheel, power, whatever this thing is. Let's see, y'all ready to hear that? Oh yeah, he's boxing the fish. Oh my god, he's really cracked. 150, 50, boxed. He's like a fish out of water. Let's get into the wiring. Okay, so we got a wireless connector. We got a charger, I think. Yeah. Let's see how it looks. All right, so I think this slides open. Let me look at the manual. Yeah. So wait, hold on. So I slide this off. Then. No, that's actually cool. I can put this in here. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? In there. Yeah, that's fire. And then there's supposed to be a oh yeah. So there is a so we have a battery that came with it, you know. So you stick that in like there, like that, right there, like that. How do you do that again? Oh yeah, you do it like this, and you just, oh, it turned on. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh, see, it's on. So yeah, and you take this out. All right, so we had a little technical difficulties. Shut up. We had a little technical difficulties, you know, but as y'all see, it is turning on, and you just slide that back on there, like that, right there, like that right there, like that right there. You see this? Beautiful, just beautiful, just beautiful. But yeah, and then you see this right here. We got this cord right here. I don't know if I'm gonna use this because I'm not gonna use this, so I'm just not gonna use it. Yeah, that simple. But anyways, trash out, trash out, trash out, trash out. Okay, so yeah, that's the review for the mouse, and let's get straight into the keyboard. Let's go. All right, so we have the keyboard as y'all see, and it's the HyperX Alloy Origin 60% keyboard, and I'm not gonna lie, it looks very beautiful. And it's very heavy, you know what I mean? It's not lightweight. And let's open this thing right now, and yeah. All right, open it. Woo! Okay, I ain't gonna lie, this keyboard looks beautiful. Stop, don't do that. All right, so let's start unboxing it, you know what I mean? We're gonna take the keyboard out first. Put this to the side. Let's check out the tech behind this little flip right here. Oh, interesting. Okay. So we got an extra key right here, and then we got a key taker offer, and then we got an extra key right here, and then we have the cord for this keyboard, and that's about it in the package. So let's get straight to the keyboard, the main part of this part. And freak this trash. Let's check what switches we have on this keyboard. I'm gonna take it off right here. I'm gonna take these off. Oh no! Oh yeah. So by the looks of it, we have red switches. And red switches are very clicky. If y'all know that, red switches are very clicky. Y'all can tell. And this is not a membrane keyboard. I upgraded from my last keyboard. My last keyboard was a 5 below keyboard. I know y'all probably saying in the comments, "Ooh, that's trash." It definitely is trash. I upgraded though, so you good. You know, you can't talk trash no more. We got red switches, and let's check out the clickiness of this keyboard. You know what I mean? Check out the clickiness in 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do my name. Ooh, hold on. JPTSO. Y'all like the sound? From the Crank 90s, guys. Crank 90s. Boxed like a fish? Like a fish out of water? Oh my god, he's literally boxed, cracked. 50? 100? No scope? Oh my god, I'm literally cracked at this game. Alright, let me chill. But yeah, this is the beautiful keyboard of mine, you know. This is the beautiful keyboard of mine. It says HyperX indented into the keyboard, you know. We have, you can, yeah, but you can switch it up. You can switch this part up too. Hold on. You can switch this part up too. You know, if you want just a little small switch. And if y'all want to learn how to switch keys somebody, y'all can come to this channel. Let me shut up. But yeah, this is the keyboard. I like it. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm gonna show y'all them while they're on and how they look with the lights on and stuff. And yeah, let's go. All right, so here's how it looks while it's on. You know what I mean? This is the mouse while it's on. You can change the colors. Yes, y'all see, yellow, purple. Y'all really can't see though. Green. Oh no, that's yellow. White, orange, purple, yellow, white. You know, you get the gist of it. And then this keyboard, you can change many different RGBs. You can change it to tap. Wherever you tap, that's where it lights up at. Or you could change it to my favorite preset. Why did my finger just do all that? Y'all didn't see nothing. But you can change it to different presets like this one. I love this one. This is my favorite one out of all of them. And then you can change it to the rainbow one. I don't like this one, but I like it. Like, it's like an ugly but fire one, you know what I mean? Like, totally, dude. Shut up. I ain't gonna lie. I hate it, but I love it right now. I ain't gonna lie. It kind of looks fire. But yeah. And y'all already heard the clickiness of it, so yeah. You know, I'll be cranking 90s and stuff with this, you know. He's boxed like a fish out of water. Oh, I forgot to change the color. Alright, if y'all like this video, I want y'all to like, subscribe, to post notifications for more videos like this. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all showed so much love last video, so please get this to 10 likes.